Still have layers of clothes on. I said striptease. Shirt. Not the shoes. Oh, belt. You made a dent in your wall. That's it? We don't get to see your cute butt? This is definitely going on MySpace. Do we get the shirt, babe? Please? Why? I know you have an undershirt on. I know you have an undershirt on.
What?
Not happening. Shake your booty as fast as you possibly can. Is that it? As fast as you can shake it. You can't get the black oat. Alright, you have to turn around for that. I don't want to see it from the front. I don't want to see
stepping on the ground. I'd just be doing,